Good afternoon, everybody. This is Dan with Senior E-Bike Nation. We are going to be doing a 20-mile ride today. I wanted to also do a review on this YLG seat. As you can see, it's got a flashing light in the back of the seat, and I think that's pretty unique. And it's definitely looks like a very comfortable seat the way it's designed. One of my subscribers wanted me to review this seat, so the seat company sent it to me. So we're gonna get it on the ride and see how we like it. This is it's about 5 o'clock in the afternoon, getting out a little bit later today. Had some appointments I had to run today, so we're getting out a little bit later than we hoped to, but that's all right. We're only gonna be about an hour and a half. But anyway, we're going to take the Zota Zephyr again, which we always usually ride. And then, again, we're going to try to do about 20 miles a day if we can. I mainly want to see how comfortable the seat is. So, yeah, we're going to see you on the trail. Okay, here we are again. Dan with Senior E-Bike Nation. Again, I'm getting out late. It's about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm going to try to do a 20-mile ride today. I just wanted to get out and review this seat. I believe the company is YLG. I'll put a description in the bottom of the description box here so you guys can see where I got it. They sent me this seat to review. So, so far, seems to be a very comfortable seat. It's got a flashing light in the back of it, which I like that. So we'll see how it feels like on a 20-mile ride. It's got some pretty good springs in the back of the seat, on the bottom of the seat, so hopefully it'll take us some pretty good bumps. Don't even have to wear my gloves today, it's so nice out. I did get out yesterday for a little while on the Zota. As long as the weather stays nice, I'll probably get out almost every day. I don't do a lot of riding on the weekend, especially Sunday. I won't be able to ride this Saturday because my son's got a birthday party and we're all going bowling. The whole family, and I haven't bowled in about 10-15 years, so we'll see how that goes. But I'm looking forward to just spending time with family. Well, the 5 o'clock traffic's let out. Probably have to cross over halfway. We'll stop by the food blessing box and drop off a couple things of ramen noodles. starting to warm up here just a little bit each day. But this seat is extremely comfortable. I'll have to check for sure, but I think this seat retails for $39.99. Very comfortable. I'm going to have them send me a link in the description box if I can. They have not sent that to me yet, so maybe I can get you a little bit of discount on the seat. So I'll let you know when I get that. Looking forward to our video on Thursday. We're going to be going up to the bike shop, and we're going to be interviewing a bike mechanic this time and set up a camera so we can watch him do some repairs on something. And I know you guys really, on the poll I put out, I see you guys really want to see the how-to videos. About 88% of you wanted to see the how-to. So hopefully he's going to be able to educate us on some things. And you left. Cruise along pretty good, about 22.5 miles an hour. I'm in pedal assist 6. Haven't spoke much with Caleb this week, texting him back and forth a little bit, but I want to have him put his head down in those books so we can get better grades. On your left. He does okay in school. He doesn't really apply himself. The kid is extremely smart. He just don't apply himself. Climb the hill here. On your left. Breezy out here today. Hope there's not a lot of wind noise. It's probably 57 to 58 degrees. It's not bad today at all. Caleb and I will probably get out a day this week, I'm thinking. This weekend, I'm sorry. Probably maybe early Saturday. We might get out if it's not raining. Quite a few walkers and people running on the trail. My tomato plants are doing really well. I've multiplied them so many times since I seeded them. I'm up to 50 tomato plants. I might have to get rid of a few. I might put a little stand out by my driveway and sell a few of them. I can sell them a lot cheaper than you can buy them in the garden center. So we're going to see how it works out. But I took all my plants out of my my grow station today and watered them with, fertilized them with fish emulsion and seaweed. Neptune's is the brand I use. I was watching a video and this guy was right. That's some of the best stuff you can use on fertilizers. Of course, I only use about a half strength when you're using small seedlings like tomatoes and peppers. You don't want to use full strength because you'll burn that plant up. So I've been using about a ½ ounce per gallon of water, and the plants are doing extremely well. I love to garden as well. I knew once I retired I would be staying busy. But once I first started riding e-bikes 2 years ago, I knew what my passion was going to be as long as I stay healthy. It's riding e-bikes. So far, this seat is extremely comfortable. It's a wide seat, but the way they designed it is a very comfortable seat. So I highly recommend this seat for sure. I'll probably leave the Zota stock seat off of this and just keep this one on here. I've got another seat they sent me I also have to review. They said they was going to send me 2 or 3, and I got 2 of them so far. But I wanted to review this one with the light on the back of it. Again, we're coming up on the cross of the blessing box here right after the bridge. Got quite a few cars in the parking lot here, so must be a lot of people on the trail today. Let's see what we got on the blessing box. About what was in there yesterday. A few different items, looks like. Yeah, again, we're only going to be putting some ramen noodles in there today. Looks like the ones I put in there yesterday are gone, so I figured they would be. That seems to be a very popular item, these ramen noodles. I like them personally. A little high in sodium, but they're pretty good. So we'll put them up here on the top. And again, a little free pantry. Take what you need, donate what you can, feed the creek. I plugged them people enough in the last 6 months, I believe. Yeah, this is about halfway what we're going to go. We're going to go up to the bridge and do a 10-miler. Then, of course, 10 miles back. So we get back on the bike and get her going. Won't be long and all this vegetation will be turning green. About mid-spring, late spring, we got a lot of bugs we'll have to be fighting, hitting you in the face. A lot of times I wear my face guard, keep all the bugs from going in my eyes. Again, up here we'll stop the video and start it over again so we can shorten these videos a little bit. So I'll be doing that here in just a few minutes. Yeah, we'll get up to the bridge up here, or the little guardrail, and I'll go ahead and stop the video there. Again, share and like. Hit that bell notification. Again, as I mentioned, I got several videos coming up. You're not going to want to miss the one on Thursday at the bike shop. So again, we'll just stop right up here and we'll I don't even need to stop. I'm just going to shut the video off and subscribe to my channel.